Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to activate your Windows using a command script. Trust me, this works 100% on every device. Let's get started. First of all, make sure you are connected to the internet and disable Windows Defender. Now, head to your browser and search Max Activator, MAS Activator. We are going to use this link over here, GitHub. Click on the code over here. Now click on download zip. Now head to your downloads folder. Extract the folder. Open this folder. Open this folder over here. Open all in one folder. Now this is the script you are looking for. Run the script as an administrator. From here, since it's Windows we are activating, you select option 1. My Windows is already activated. The script will automatically generate product key for you and activate your Windows. Okay, Windows is now activated. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. See you in the next video.